MuleSoft-TechZone viewers, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about the recent changes in MuleSoft. The training portal has been moved to Trailhead, that is the Salesforce training and certification platform. So if you're wondering, like I go to like training.mulesoft.com here, training.mulesoft certifications and all, this portal has been moved to Trailhead Academy, so you won't be able to access training.mulesoft.com portal. So please try to create one account in your Trailhead Academy. I'll show you, I will take you a tour again. So this is the latest portal where you can schedule your trainings or certification program. So before that, let me take you to Trailhead. Instead of, there are two websites you have to keep in mind. One is like Trailhead and the other one is like Trailhead Academy. Okay, let me show you. Okay, first let me go to Trailhead. Okay, I have an account already, but if you don't have one, what you have to do? So it's okay, it's taking to Trailhead Trailblazer. So let me log out from here. Okay, I'll show you what needs to be done. So just search for Trailhead, trailhead.salesforce.com. So this is trailhead.salesforce.com, and to log in, there are different ways to log in. It all depends upon how you have chosen your method. You can always, if you have an existing email with your Salesforce, like if you click on Salesforce, it will take you to the Salesforce portal, but I want you to go to Trailhead. This is the best way to go. If you click on this Trailhead, okay, it will ask you different ways to log into Trailhead. So I always use like LinkedIn because that is associated with my Gmail. So I am going to sign in, and it always keeps asking you to click on allow. Okay, do that, and once you have done, you will be landing over to the Trailhead portal. So Trailhead portal is the training and certification program portal of Salesforce, where you can find all training courses, certifications and everything, like whether it is Salesforce, Tableau, Slack or MuleSoft. Now everything is under Trailhead. This is your main platform now, and you have lots of content. Like I cannot show you everything, but there are lots of content that you have in this Trailhead portal, and you can always see your points here, your badges, whether you're rangers or whatever it is, right? So you have like loads of content, and it will also show you like what are the in progress modules. Basically here you have the concept of modules and all. Okay, and you also have some recommendation, and also you can learn a lot. It's not just only for MuleSoft. You can also, like for example, if you want to learn instant copilot basics, yes, you can always go ahead and start learning. It's absolutely free, and once you have completed your module, it will always show you a green tick mark. Okay, please make sure that you are wisely using and using it like more, because you have lots of content over here. Now coming back to our actual question, two things. If you see here, like you have different menus here, like learn. Okay, whatever you want to learn, whether you want to learn modules or trail mixes, anything. Credentials, this is the place where we wanted to know like how exactly the transition from training.mulesoft.com to Trailhead happened. So if you see here under credentials, you can see like super badges and all comes like when you complete some modules over here, and you have like verification of certifications. Again, this is very easy for someone who can verify your certification. In actual MuleSoft training portal, you won't have any verification as such, like whether you have actually completed or not, right? Here you can do that, and you have like certifications. First I'm going to show you, like click on certifications and show you. It will so these certifications are based upon your role, which role you are under, and it will also suggest like what kind of certifications you need to do. For example, you can see here under administration, Salesforce administrator, this is like certified administrator, advanced administrator, all these certifications. If you want MuleSoft developer certifications, it will be under probably like Salesforce developer. And if you scroll down, yeah, you can see here MuleSoft developer 1 and 2. Likewise, if you are an architect, probably the integration architect is also, yeah, catalyst specialist, this is MuleSoft certification. And also Yeah, MuleSoft Integration Architect 1 and Platform Architect. So these certifications are classified into like roles based on, and it's very easy to read. And you can also like click on learn more. Here you can see Salesforce MuleSoft certifications. Okay, click on learn more. Here it is showing you like what kind of certifications that are associated with MuleSoft. Here for example, associate level, this is the very basic certification folks. Like MuleSoft associate is very basic. This is not only for the technical folks, it is also for people like business analysts or some managers and all, right? So this is the basic certification, MuleSoft associate. Then you have like developer credentials, that is for developers. It is hyper automation specialist. Again, this hyper automation specialist, you also know that it is a combination of like flows, MuleSoft RPA, Anypoint Studio. It's a combination of both Salesforce and MuleSoft. And then MuleSoft Developer 1, Developer 2. So these three certifications comes under developer credentials. Then architect level ones is for the catalyst specialist and integration architect and platform architect. So you have very good information about all these certifications. So what I have done, I have clicked on like credentials, then went to certifications, and you have like there is an option to learn more, or you can also go from here. Right now, next thing that I wanted to show is like if you see here, verify certification. This is also one of the best options. For example, if you want to look at your, if it is popping up or not, your certifications are popping up or not, I'll just click on search. It will ask whether you're a robot or not, and see, yeah, there is a, you can see here, right? You can click on credential info. It will give you like list of certifications that you have earned so far. Okay, if your certifications are not popped up, like for example, I have like 2 of the certifications which are not popping up. If your certifications are not being popped up, always try to raise a request in your Trailhead help. Okay, they will immediately, I will show you that in the later part of the video, but so this is one of the ways that you can probably, for example, like if I remove Shravan, because there will be many Shravans, if you want to validate, if you're taking an interview of a certain person, right, I think it will give only your certification. So you can probably like give this as a validation that you have completed your certification. So if you click give your full name and click on this, so click on like credentials info, you can probably share these credentials to you can also like print view or whatever it is, and you can provide it to your employer. Okay, so coming back to, where are we? I have too many tabs open. Yeah, certification module here. So this is done. So you have certifications and verify certifications, and maintain your certifications is something like this is more towards like Salesforce side. Okay, now again going back to certifications, where you have to give examination in training.mulesoft.com. we used to schedule our exams within training portal, and we used to have like proctor, where you attend the, you log into Proctor and you have taken examinations and all. But now all the exams are moved to Web Assessor. If you remember, like initial days of MuleSoft, I used to give exam on Web Assessor. Okay, so if you click on schedule now for any one of them, let me go to developer and go to one of the MuleSoft developer 1 exam. Okay, if you go here, it will show you like, it will give you examination guide, and you can always join the community, Trailblazer, and the associated classes and workshops. Okay, if you go here and open, so this is the class that you need to attend. So you have these options to register now, just like how you used to have in your training.mulesoft.com. You can always use this option, like which language you want in, and then your region, and it will filter out the classes, and you can register for the examinations, register for the training courses. Now, how to schedule your exam, right? So if you scroll down, this is like get to know about your classes and workshops. So earn your credential, this is where you will be scheduling your examination. Okay, click on like schedule now. It will take you to webassessor.com/Salesforce. This Salesforce has to be there, because if you remove Web Assessor and if you remove Salesforce, it will take you to some other portal. Okay, please note that you have to go to like webassessor.com/salesforce. Okay, and here it will ask for your credentials. Okay, I have my credentials. You have, if you don't have WebAssessor account, please try to create a new WebAssessor account. Here you have to provide all the details. Please make sure that you are giving a proper email ID that is like similar to, that is, it should match with your Trailhead account. Okay, so once you created account and once you log in, here is the place where you can schedule the exam. So click on schedule exam. It will directly take you to your Trailhead portal. Why, how does it take? Because you have logged in through like Salesforce. You can see like branding equal to Salesforce. That's how it is like taking you to your place. All right, so again, like if you click schedule now from your Trailhead, it will again ask for login. I will log in. Okay, you can always like register your exam. So this is how you have to schedule your exam or courses. So everything has been moved from training.mulesoft.com. Even if you try to put like training.mulesoft.com, it will redirect your URL to your Trailhead. Okay, it is moving to Trailhead Academy. Okay, so if you go to Trailhead Academy, this is the place where you can see like if I just remove this part, it's trailheadacademy.salesforce.com/products/ours is like MuleSoft. So if I enter, I get like MuleSoft related stuff here. So you have all the courses, for example, trending MuleSoft classes like development classes, production ready is for MCD level 2, and different certification exams, right? So you can always go through this as well, and like you can have like Tableau and all those stuff here. Okay, and if you go to my cart, there is nothing here. So if you want to do like, you can go ahead and purchase your exams there. All right, so Trailhead Academy or trailhead.com, I think eventually it will go to the same stuff, like, because you can see like certifications, super badges, etc and etc. All right, so I hope you like this video. This will help you, and last thing I forgot, like help, this is really super helpful, because I have utilized this, because my previous account has been like, I was not able to, so most of them, there was a question like they were not able to, when they click on reset password, they were not able to receive an email to your personal account. So in that case, what I have done is like, I went to certification help, guys. Instead of selecting this ticket and all this stuff, like you can select the topic, you will get instant solutions. But in case you don't know where to find your stuff, this Trailhead help bot really helped me. You will get like instant support from like, there will be a person who will talk to you on chat, and you can give your query, you can give initial what you are facing and all. So like for example, like certification, Salesforce certifications and all, and someone will be there to help you, and they will help you to raise a ticket, and it will be resolved like within a day. For me at least, it was resolved within a day. So this chat bot is really helpful. Okay, try to utilize this. This is where you, if you have any queries, please try to come to this place, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment on this video. I will try to help out. So all the best for your trainings and certifications, and I hope the new portal will bring you like more excitement, and try to utilize all the resources. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for latest videos.